Good morning, my dear students of class 6th. I hope you all are doing well and studying properly at your homes. Today we are having our chapter number 4 of our NCERT book, that is sorting the materials into groups. So let's start. Introduction. Here, I am going to start with the introduction to the small family of Aryan. Her father and mother is there in his family. You know what? One day, the family of Aryan went to mall. What's father wants to bring was the decorative material for his home. So his father, you can see in the picture, went to the painting shop. Next, her mother wants grocery material for the home, and Aryan wants some music stuff for himself for his entertainment purpose. Now in this picture together you can see all the three-person have to go to the specific area to purchase what they actually want. So, in this chapter, we are basically going to learn that separation of the substances on the basis of their different properties. Here are the objective. Sort material on the basis of their shape, sort materials on the basis of their state, sort material on the basis of the raw material used, and understand why the sorting of material is important. You know what is the meaning of sort? Sort or sorting simply means the separation. Separation means putting the different material into different categories. Here you can see there are three different professional workers and they are doing work in their specific field. Carpenter is doing his work, that person is cooking some food, and of course the third person is doing his own specific work. Same as you can see, there are different kind of three containers. I have told you, as you can see in the objective again, we will discuss first the sorting of material or the separation of material on the basis of their shape. So first we will discuss the separation on the basis of their shape. You can see the three different container having three different shapes. The first one is cylindrical, the second one is also cylindrical, and the third one is cuboidal. Here you can see the Aryan is showing his home. Sofa is there, dining table is there, chairs are also there, and you can see all the three wooden furniture have different shapes. Here you can see different shapes also of different grocery material. Yes, the dress material. You can also see that dress material are also made up of different fibers, as you have already learned about it in the previous chapter, fiber to fabric. Different type of fibers are used to make the fabric: cotton, rayon, jute, flax, etc. Here you can see wooden table. Wooden table, and except this, the furniture are also made up of plastic, sometimes glass, sometimes jute, and sometimes wooden, etc. You can see there are two glasses. Can you differentiate? No. They both are similar to each other, but actually they are not similar to each other. You know, the one glass, the first glass is made up of glass only, and the second glass is made up of plastic, but they seems to be similar to each other, but actually they are not similar to each other. And next you can see a coat is there, leather shoes are there, and jute bags are there. So you all have studied well that different objects are made up of different material, and object around us are made up of a large variety of material, and different objects need different type of material to made up of. So it's all about this video. We will study the next part in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.